In this video, we're going to look at application log SLG1. So we're going to go to transaction SLG1. Okay, so we are in the application log screen. So this basically transaction records all the application related errors or successes in the system. You can see here it records the dialog mode, batch mode, and batch input mode. Basically, this is dialog means any transaction entered in the system to the front end. Batch mode means basically SM37 and batch jobs. Batch input mode means SM35, SM36, where BDC, any BDC related transactions. Okay, so we're going to execute this transaction. You can see different colors. You can see yellow, green, and red. Okay. So if you click on this, you can see the error here. Okay, so if you really don't want to see further more details, double click on it. Okay, so you can see the error here. So based on the error, you can just do a search. Okay, so it also tells you which ID is failing. It's also showing you what application, that object is happening, and then what type of mode it's failing in. Okay, so all these are available in this one. So this is an important log for cybersecurity. So this has to be analyzed and checked for any violations or any inappropriate use of the system. Thanks for watching the video. Please click on the link below to download free SAP tool. Thank you.